Hello guys, yes, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make any keyboard sound like a mechanical keyboard. So there is no like hardware stuff you need to change your keyboard to, but there is one software that allows you to hear mechanical sounds. Like for example, if you press a key like in a mechanical keyboard, like it has a clicky sound, which is kinda satisfying I guess, but it's a cool thing. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. So you open up Google Chrome or any browser that you use, go to the address bar and type google.com. Then here you search Mac Vibes. So yes, then after you search it, this website will pop out. So macvibes.com. So yes, I will leave a link in the description so you can download for yourself. So Mac Vibes, then go to download. Then so you have to select which device you are using. So if you are using a Mac, download this. It has to be 64-bit, and if you are using Linux, you have to download this. I don't know about Linux how to download it, but yes. So you have to click this, then it will take a few seconds and it will download. So this is 61 megabytes. The download speed will depend upon your internet connection. So yes, if you have a fast internet, it will take a very little time. So yes, so it's downloading. So let's wait on C. On C. Okay, after downloading, it will install. So now I'm gonna go to my Roblox page and we're gonna try this sound thing out. So normally it's at 20, okay, but I have already installed this and I uninstalled it because yes. So it's at 20, and for the best like sounds, go with blue, ABS or PBT. I personally like PBT more because I don't know, ABS sounds so much clicky and stuff, so I go with PBT. So let's try Tower of Hell. Yes, so I'm gonna load up Tower of Hell right now. So it's loading, so let's wait. So as you can see, it works. So if I go to type YouTube, as you can see, it works. Sometimes it lags out, I don't know why. So yes, okay, so we are in Tower of Hell now. Let's max out the graphics because yes, this again that can run on anything. So as you can see, the thing is clearly working. The software is clearly working, everything is running fine. Oh my god. Like if you want to see more Tower of Hell, okay, I died. I'm gonna play for a few minutes because this video is too short. But yes, let's have a real quick. Oh my god, I nearly died. Yep, the thing works really well. The software is really good. I really like this software. So this is where I died. I won't die this time. Hey, let's go. The sound is too loud, you can adjust it. Okay, I made it here. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh. Okay, this is the part that I hate the most. Oh. Okay, I died. So that's it for this video. So I hope you learned something new from the Indian tech support. You know the Indian tech support. Summer type, thanks for watching. Because yes, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.